Now we're going to make a little card holder to put on a plate for a birthday party or Father's Day or Mother's Day. We're going to take a square colored paper. We're going to turn it around to the other side. Then we're going to fold it up to shape a triangle. Then we're going to take the left side and fold it up again. Fold it up again towards the right side to make another triangle. And now we're going to open the whole thing. We just fold it up to make marks. Now we're going to take one point and fold it towards the middle. Then we're going to take the other side and fold it towards the middle too. Then we're going to turn it over. Now we're going to take one point and fold it a little bit more than the middle till you see little triangles on each side. We're going to take the other side and fold it towards the middle too, on top of the one that is already folded. Now we're going to take the card and put it inside the triangles. And we're going to turn the card the other side and open, fold up each side towards outside a little bit, towards the outside. This is going to be the card's holder. And we're going to put it on a plate like this.